Okay, Jason is back with his full forecast and the latest updates on all the severe weather we've seen today, Jason. Lightning, hail, wind, and more.
Yeah, we've had more severe weather this summer in Maine than I can remember in recent memory. I mean, it's been that stormy. It started off a lot of flash flooding and now going over to severe thunderstorms, hail, wind, lightning. So we'll take a look now at outside and show you what's going on. I think I have a shot there. Okay, this is a Bar Harbor shot of the fog. And yeah, I mean, locked in with fog there. Rain about to move in. Here's Standish. This is what I was kind of referencing there. Sun coming out as the cells pushed east now. A lot of sunshine, but still incredibly humid statewide. We're not quite done with that yet. Severe thunderstorms, hail, wind, lightning, flooding, pretty much everything. The whole kitchen sink there. Local storm reports have been widespread statewide. And tomorrow we finally get less humid, except at the coast. So friends at the coast still going to be dealing with some pretty peak summer. Here's a warning. The last one that just expired as I was pointing to it. This is live television, right? But still, a flash flood warning going on here. Southern portion, Piscataquis County, that's observed. So there has been washouts going on there. Here's the update from the radar scan going on, and you have a lot of lightning. Now, this is no longer a severe storm. However, as it pushes east into places like Mars Hill, you see here in the next several hours, Mars Hill at 622, as this squall line is going to get east down through the county. Here's the stuff headed down east to Washington County. Not severe, but there's a lot of lightning, and we've already seen plenty of lightning strikes today, actually making it clearly to places like structures, so watch out for that. Flash flood warning once again up north in Piscataquis observed. This cell no longer severe, but still a lot of lightning. And here you can pick out on radar. This is called an outflow boundary. The cool air that's coming out of the thunderstorm cools and moves down through 202. So that's cool you off for a few minutes, but still heading towards Richmond. There's a lot of lightning and Bowdoin, so watch out there. Hail tracker today has been busy. Seeing these, I'm going to zoom in so you can see it better here, but where these cells have pushed through, especially in central Maine, here's a cell. This one had, I saw the video, thank you for sending it in, I think it was Melissa. This cell right here near 201 had 2-inch hail around golf ball or bigger size hail, just south of Dover Foxcroft, as that ripped through about 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Storm reports have been 15, 20, but around Bangor, lightning strikes here. Now, this is reported from into the Weather Service, potentially lightning strikes with injuries, waiting for confirmation and ground truth on that. But obviously, very, very dangerous situation. Anytime you get hail around 2 inches around Wellington, north of Harmony, that's a lot of hail. And also here, I saw this video that came in. That's golf ball size, close to 2 inches in Bingham. And just very large hail. We had cool pool aloft. Okay, these thunderstorms are very strong, big-time updrafts, tapped into that cold pool and brought down the hail. And also reports around Norway of road washouts. So can't forget our friends down in southern New Hampshire and southwestern Maine, the southern coast there, and South Berwick. Thunderstorm wind damage there too. So that's the wrap of the severe weather. How about the temperatures? 60s and 70s, 83 in Freiburg, where it clearly has not rained in a while, and the humidity is just through the roof. It's not going to go down really a little bit tomorrow, but not until really later into the week. Notice at the coast, you're going to have that situation where we get a little bit less humidity inland, but along the coastline, we're not going to drop the humidity off. We're still going to be in the mid-60s. So expect a pretty humid summer typical day along the Maine coastline. How about for the Mariners? Seas at 2 to 3 feet, wind southwest at 5 to 10. The next 3 days, humidity comes down away from the coast tomorrow. It's humid with showers and a bit cooler on Tuesday. Wednesday, it's humid with a few showers, 71 to 75. And then we start to get more typical summertime stuff here, on and off showers. I don't have too many thunderstorms in. I can tell you it'll be less humid next weekend than it is this weekend. Right now, it's basically absolutely tropical when you walk outdoors, pretty much statewide. That will change next weekend. I'm not going to say a taste of fall or a fall preview, but it won't be quite as soupy. It's called, well, Sam, air you can wear or just bad hair days widespread right now.
Well, Jason, after a pretty active weather day today, looks like we get some relief tomorrow and then, typical Maine summer for the next few days.
We'll get right back in the showers.
All right, Jason, thank you.